mother, great mother of all, your servant is here. Where are you? Great mother, it's getting tougher and dangerous. Ini Edo came and interfered with my mission today. I needed you, but you didn't come.
Yes. I was watching over you from here. The rock will never lift her own. I know the situation is what you can handle. You are a great mother from Iroko. The tongue of fire that has no mercy for any mortal. You forgot your privilege. That's why she got the signal. I saw you with her. But don't worry. Iroko is never afraid of any situation, no matter how fierce. You have tried. You made me proud. Don't worry. Come with me for mission.
Mother, she demands I meet with her father.
When a soul is born, his heart looks for what the soul longs for. The dead Iroko, I shall destroy them. I shall have no mercy on them. I am Iroko. I will have no mercy on them. I shall destroy them. I shall destroy them.
You're the only one that understands me very well. That is why I always confide in you. Please, my sister, help me talk to my father, your elder brother. Please. Obinna eliminated darkness and sorrow in my life and replaced it with joy. I love him so much. My heart yearns for him. He's the only man after my heart. Please, help me talk to my father. I love Obinna with all my heart. Please.
It's okay, Olama. I understand how you feel.
You don't understand. You don't. Because if you do, you'll be doing everything possible. I mean, how can my father ban me from going out of this palace? Am I a slave? I'm a princess. Obinna is my life. He's my everything. He's the man after my heart. I love Obinna. He's the love of my life. In fact, I'm good as dead without him.
Lama, how can you say such a thing? Please, don't forget what Ini Edo said. Eh? And you know we cannot disobey her. We can't. Please, beg of you, don't do anything stupid. You know your parents will die if anything happens to you. Especially your mother. She will kill herself. You are her only eye. All I must say, the gods will bring another man who will love you.
I don't need another man.
You mean you both knew, and you did not even tell our Majesty all this while? Huh? How do you expect us to speak when we are not asked to? Whatever happens while on duty is meant to be seen and not said. We tried our best to stop the princess, but you know love is stronger than words. Who are we to stop her from the love that makes her happy?
As if you've tasted of it and know how it feels.
It's okay. What are we going to do now? In this palace, every blessed day, there will be 1 or 2 new problems. I am scared. I am scared.
But I don't think it has anything to do with us, the maidens. It is their problem. So let it remain and end with them. Yes. See me, my head will not take what I do not know. I'm even thinking of going, if worse come to worse. Jesus. Yes. Going.
I just pray all these things will end very soon. Let's have a peaceful palace again. I am tired of crying.
Me too.
I'm tired. I'm just telling you. Wait now. She going.
Your Majesty, there is fire on the mountain. But the first son will not run away because his house is on fire. Your Majesty, you need to be there and witness what we all went through. It was a terrible sight. Do you know that these people did not even care to give us cola nut?
Yeah.
Cola nut! Let alone ordinary water to wash our hands as custom demands. Instead, they ask us to go to our kingdom and pick maidens so that you, our king, Igwe Obichirozo, one of Umuezaleze, will use them to replace your head from dying.
What?
What?
They said that?
Is it not true?
Yes.
Yes, Your Majesty.
That's what they said. Yes, Your Majesty. They even said worse things. One even chased us out and called us ritual killers. That our Igwe should go and use his daughter's head if there are no more maidens in the land to kill.
Shut up, Onubu. Shut your mouth up. I cannot sit here and watch you insult the king, my brother. How dare you voice such nonsense before his presence?
Pardon me, my prince. Pardon me. I am only telling the Igwe what they told us. That he uses his wives for ritual.
You're
Enough! Can't you control your mouth? Must you say everything?
But oh no, why are you stopping him from giving him the feedback? He sent us on an errand, and Onubu here is doing the proper thing by giving him the proper feedback.
Huh? Yes. If you were the one, even you, will you give your daughter's hand in marriage to a man whose wives die at childbirth?
Mazoka, I forbid you to insult me in my palace. I forbid you to do that.
I am sorry, Your Majesty. Please pardon me, but it was not me that said it.
I don't know what is keeping Onubu and Mazoka meeting now. We need to visit the two kingdoms as promised. I have not seen a man as stupid and senseless. Why would it be even you suggesting on we visiting kingdoms in search of a wife for you? Is it the one that will live or die? Ichioka! Watch your lips. Watch your lips. Do not push me to think you are the one behind the king's predicament. Don't let me suspect. Suspect me? Don't! So, Oka will not speak his mind again in this kingdom. Of what use is it to me? I have 3 beautiful wives already, of which I'm thinking of who to give the last one to because of how much trouble. I would have given her to Igwe, but I don't want her to die yet. Okay, I can see you have taken enough of this gene. You have taken enough. May the gods forgive you for uttering such error from your lips.
What kept both of you? Huh? Why are you still at home that I have to be here to listen to Uka's silly talks? What are you doing at home? Oh no, I'm sorry for keeping both of you. Please, sorry. I hope. Let's go. Oh, let's go. It is better we go home. Let us go home. I'm not okay with this thing we're going on. I'm not okay with it. I have said my own. Let us go home.
It's okay. It's okay. I've heard you all. I'm trying to suggest that we have to visit Umuneche Kingdom. We cannot give up. Let us try them as well.
Oh no. Oh no. In my next world, may you never be my Ono. Yes, you will never be my Ono.
Onobu.
Oh no.
What was the meaning of that?
Joya, ask him. He did not insult you, Ono. Rather, you are the one insulting us by taking us on this trial and error thing. Akaroko people just insulted us by calling our Igwe names. And here you are saying we should visit Umuneche Kingdom. How are we sure if they will not even use their broom to sweep us out of their kingdom? No.
Listen, all of you. There is no harm in trying.
Yes.
You can never know how sweet a food is without tasting it.
Yes.
I believe we will come out positively this time.
Good.
So, let us visit Umuneche Kingdom, at least to satisfy our conscience.
Good. Yes. Look, I believe you know. Let us try there for the last time.
For the last time?
Instead of staying here arguing, let us go for the sake of our kingdom. Wait. Are you talking of the kingdom that has refused to find solution to things of death in the palace, in the kingdom? Is that the kingdom I'm talking about? Okay, but here we are, going elsewhere to find bride for our Igwe. Let's just stop dreaming. So you are telling us that we are dreaming? Oh no. What? Oh no. Madam. No. I'm going. Go. Let us go.
No, we must go to Umuneche Kingdom.
You heard me. Let us go. Okay. Let us go. Let's go. Before they say I am not mind. Let's go. Let us go before they say I am the one.
Andy Chebim, I once again welcome you to my house.
Thank you.
I'm happy, I'm glad that you people are found favor in my daughter. And Diko, I want to ask, whose son amongst you all is interested in my daughter? I'm glad though that you are all here. Very glad. And that my daughter has found favor in you all. Mana, whose son amongst you is interested in my daughter?
That's a good question.
Yes.
Well, to call a spade a spade, we are here on behalf of our king. King Obichiruzo I of Umuezaleze. The man that dares a lion, even with his eyes closed. Yes. So your daughter is a very nice...
Did you say Igwe Obichiruzo I? The one that lost his last two wives during childbirth? And the children?
Ujia.
Madam.
So he does not have maidens in his kingdom again. Your Igwe has used all the maidens in his kingdom for sacrifice. So he now wants to use my only beautiful and right daughter for ritual. Kwaya?
No, that is not why we came. Our king is not a killer. We meant well.
Excuse me.
Don't worry. I've heard you. Ndiche, Amadia. I will give you your answer.
He said he's coming. He said he's coming. Are you?
Oh no!
You want to use my for this matter? You tell you for one thing.
Your Majesty, Ngwere, the lizard, fell from an iroko tree, looked up and saw where he fell from, and on himself there were no bruises. He nodded and said, if no one praise him, that he will praise himself. Your Highness, we have tried. We have done more than expected.
Yes, sir.
But in any case, there must be a way out. We need solution. Very fast! Your Highness, do you know they nearly killed us? Because no one speaks good of the royal household.
Bam!
Your Majesty, I need to confess, people far and near hate you with passion. Yes. But there must be a way out for this mess.
And the only way out is what I am about to do now. Your Majesty. Miriudo, the great mouthpiece of the gods. I have come and I demand answers from the gods now.
I am here for you, Great Mother. Together, we will destroy them all until there is nothing left with breath in that household.
Great servants of Iroko, you have proved yourself worthy of my trust. The only problem I have is Mirudo. She is trying to stop me. But I shall fight till I gain justice.
But Mother, why don't you pay them a visit? We can destroy her. Your powers knows no defeat. Send me forth, Great Mother, for my loyalty knows no boundary. Vengeance we shall get. And very soon, Olamma shall become a story.
She is the least of my problems. Her heart is already in your palms. And I know you can handle it. I have other strong forces to face. And we have to strike. So we can accomplish our task. We have no time.
I am always ready for any task, Great Mother Iroko. The great tongue of fire. Blood for blood.
No maiden wants to be married into the royal household anymore. Ugoma left me too because he was afraid of dying at childbirth. My beloved younger sister, Ogechi, lost the man she was betrothed to for some reason. The princess, Olama, found the man she loved, and the gods came and warned that she stays away from that man, thereby robbing her of happiness. And yet, the gods have refused to say anything. What do they expect of us? What are they waiting for? Are they waiting for us to denounce our loyalties to them before they do anything? Or do they expect us to seek help from other places? Minudo, the royal household deserves to be happy. They deserve to be, to laugh. What have we done to them? How have we wronged them that they cannot make us happy? Minudo, I am here to let you know that you are the eyes of the gods. You are the mouthpiece of the gods. Speak to them in the language they understand. If not, Obiago, the prince of Umwezale is the kingdom. I will do something everybody will regret.
Obiago, I understand your bitterness. The gods say you should be calm. They know you. They're watching over all of us. They know your end from the beginning.
How? Mirudo, there you go. Since they know my end from my beginning, they should have known that Uguma will leave me. They should have also known that our image, our reputation is being troubled upon by our neighboring kingdoms and even our subjects. They should have also known what to do to restore our dignity and pride as the royal household of this kingdom.
Nobody, Obiago, nobody undermines the powers of the gods. Be still and go home. Prepare for war. For that is in front is greater than any war you've ever experienced.
How can my father stop my happiness? Obinna is the only man that gladdens my heart. How can the father possibly be this wicked to his own daughter? How?
No, princess. Your father doesn't hate you. He is only trying to play safe. Mirudo warned that relationship speaks nothing but death. And I don't want to lose you. We don't want to lose you.
How? My death? Oh, please. They are simply jealous because I finally found love. Obinna is a nice and loving soul. He has brought me nothing but joy, peace and happiness. I love him. Please, my sister, please. Help me talk to my father to lift the ban on me. I need to leave this palace. I need to go out and be with the man that I love. Please.
I wish I can lift the ban myself. Just to see you happy. Just to watch you smile. But I can't. Olama, remember you are the only thing they have. Think about your mother. What will happen to her if anything happens to you? If I can still be strong after Akajiako left me, I know you can do same. Leave the young man, please. Forget about him.
In that case, you people should watch me kill myself.
You will do no such thing, Olama. You will do no such thing. Olama, what has come over you? Do you want to kill me before my time? You have to sever every relationship with this Obinna because it spells nothing but impending doom. The gods see better than us and they've warned you against him.
Oh, please, mother. Please. Why didn't the gods see what is going on in this palace? Why haven't they seen it? How my father's wives lose their lives at childbirth. Why didn't they see that Akajiako will leave Princess Ogechi here? Or that Ugoma of all people would turn her back on Prince Obiako? Why didn't they see it? Why? Of course not. They won't see things like that. They only see Olama in love. I tell you what, mother, they are simply jealous. They are jealous of me. They're just jealous.
Olama, how can you say such a thing?
Oh, please. Please.
My princess, please. Please, I beg of you. Save yourself from this doom. Please. Sever every ties with that young man. Please, my daughter, please.
Please, stop telling me that. I love him, and I'm stating the facts here. They should do everything possible to restore the lost joy, peace, and dignity in this palace, and leave me alone. They should leave me to be with the one I love, to be with Obinna. But I am old enough not to exist on some other person's existence.
Hey! Out of her land! My daughter has gone out of her mind. Oh, Princess Ogechi, go talk to my daughter, please. Talk to my daughter. Hey! Oh! Ha! Ha! My daughter. Go to my land, please.
My princess, where are you going to?
I will put an end to all this.
What do we tell His Majesty? What are we going to do? Do we run or what? I don't want to die, oh. Run away to where? Anywhere. Is there any hole to hide in this kingdom that the king will not find out? Let's wait and answer to his call when the time is due. We will say all that we know.
All that we know? Maybe you'll be the one to answer whatever he asks us.
Don't be a coward. We didn't send the princess to run away. The gods will protect us. So let's go and sit and pretend as if nothing happened.
Let's go to our hut then.
No. We better go and stay with Lolo's maiden. Relax yourself. Pretend as if nothing happened. Let's go.
Akweko lima, my. Doli my, doli my.
She's daring me. Olama dares me. By disobeying my orders. Leaving this palace without my consent and all alone. Let her come back today. I will skin her alive.
That case, let's go and look for her. Let me go and look for her by myself.
You were all here. And you allowed the princess of Umezaleze kingdom. Umezaleze kingdom and left this palace without you knowing. Shut up!
Family that the princess was digging her own grave. But no one listened to her.
We want her. Even the father banned her from leaving the palace. But she disobeyed. The guards have been sent to look for her.
The gods speak, and I listen. She has gone to the land of no return.
What do you mean, land of no return?
The royal household has to be fortified to go out there and save her before she dies. They would also break the curse caused by the previous king. Igwe Akabwachie Buruburu one of Omoese Aliese Kingdom.
What do you mean by that? I am lost here.
Iloko is out to destroy every seed of the royal family.
Please don't kill me. Save my life. I will run from this kingdom for the sake of my child. Please don't kill us, I beg of you.
We must carry out the king's instructions, less on one condition.
I will do anything you wish of me. But spare my life for that of my unborn child. I beg of you. Your mother has just give me the opportunity to have my...
You are already pregnant for the Igwe. So you need to allow us to enjoy you as much as we want. So that we can let you go. Is there any crime there in the royal guard and royal king having one maiden? In as much as you allow us enjoy you, you allow you run far away from this kingdom, is for you to agree or we kill you.
Okay. I will do anything to save my unborn child. For taking advantage of me. Because I'm a poor orphan. I will leave my fight to the gods. Let the gods fight for me.
Let's go. There is no time. Let's go. Where do you think you are going?
Running to a kingdom far from here. I promise never to return again, Mama Zubiko.
You lie. You think you can bribe us with your body so that we can let go? No. We enjoyed you, but you must die.
Hey, Jimo. Please. I did all you asked me to do. Why do you want to kill me after having your way? Just keep your promise. I've suffered enough from the king. Why do you want to kill me?
Because that was Igwe's instruction. And it must be obeyed. Now, move.
Move! Ghost of our land, fight for me. Ghost of our land, fight for me.
Now, Iloku is back to take revenge for killing her and her unborn child. Obinna, the young man, is the person she's using to achieve her goals. Same Obinna is the young man that the princess is in love with.
Hey! Oh my God. Gods of our land. Our land, have mercy. Have mercy. Eyes of the gods, please. The great goddess of our land, I beg of you, save my child. Save my only child. Please.
Milibika! Milibika! Milibika!
Your Majesty.
If embarking on this journey will save the royal house and in fact the entire kingdom, may the wish of the gods be done.
See, my brother, now that the king and the entire household are going for this rescue mission, I don't know if we should follow them. Maybe to safeguard them. I don't know if you know what I'm saying.
I don't know. All I heard is that Mirudo is coming tonight to fortify them. If we will follow them, we will know tonight. If we will not follow them, we will also know tonight. That is all I know.
I'm actually confused.
I'm confused too.
Anyways, let me just go back to my position for everybody.
We are ready for the journey, but we await signal from Nollywood.
Your Highness, the time is now. You may proceed. The spirit of Nollywood will go with you. You may proceed.
May the gods of our land guide and protect you.
Udene weli mutalinsi kwono emume enwe na ọkwa ọkụkọ kwono emume avụ na ọkwa ọkụkọ kwono Udene weli mutalinsi kwono emume enwe na ọkwa ọkụkọ kwono emume avụ na ọkwa ọkụkọ kwono
kalili mmadụ kali onye kwualia enyi aga na mba agụbata ọhịa mgbada awala ọsọ okolobịa dibịa rabụ n'ọnụ eze akwụla rali n'enu akwụla rali mgbe agbala agbalị mmadụ nye n'ime nwa na-abụ na-eti n'igwe na-ajụ ụra niile ọnwa na-abụ na-eti n'igwe eze ịkpa m aka na-eke ịkpa na umeju aya ọbịa m n'obi ọbịa m n'ume aya na mma ọbịa n'ube m aya aya ịkpa m aka na-eke ịkpa na umeju aya ọbịa m n'obi ọbịa m n'ume aya na mma ọbịa n'ube m aya aya
Please, I need to help him. He's a little boy. Let me help him.
Ogechi! Ogechi! Come! Come and here! Come! Ogechi! Obiagu! Oh! Come!
Baba, come.
Are you alright? Let us sit down. Sit down. It's okay. It's okay. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Relax. Which way do we go now? Is it this way? Or this way? Because this is where we came from.
I don't know. Hey.
Your Highness.
Yes.
This is the way.
Your Highness, why don't we go home so that you can rest?
Rest? Did you say rest? Who am I resting with? When everybody that means so much to me are out there in the evil forest. I go nowhere. If they die there, I stay here and die. I go nowhere.
The gods forbid. They will come back alive. Your Highness, be strong. Be strong. The gods of this land will bring them back. And alive.
Oh, gods of our land, please have mercy. Have mercy and forgive. Forgive the sins of their fathers. And bring back my daughter. Bring back my only child. My husband. Bring back Obiago. And bring back Okechi. This I beg of you, please.
Akwa na bezeze bujiri kwa akwa na bezeze na kwazi akwa obu anya mbiri alubeli bu chibu alu zodi bana bana majugo bezilalu we chieze no bodaji kedi boji chieze obudu siliachi o we chie yene bodu ji baguta jo bodazu alubeli no bodo ewu una poluki to gun olobili chele gita kede ki mene bi se baby o baby de munu meju o ba de ko ni ba bu alu so na ba yudu no bo na na ti pi o ebe igwe jile se na ba si di be lo di be le du di be o be la ji di alu be le bodo ewu jibu manata ni bane chindundilu wato sibuto jibu biadulubu kanama ujibu kanama bodo namu nalema mbebu obu alu akwa na benze buloku akwa na benze bu ezioku mana kedi moji bagasi no wa ko eze bujili kwa makwa anda bili juli aje eze amuzindidi ujibu ala bazeze makwazina eze makwazina ka kwajitelika kwa alu emamu milu no na mana bajuki poluki to kiliwe lo bili chele kita okwagi chile eze no bodaji kedi zimiji bakiti obebe Aba botro ogbe medele ndindi kedi boji bebe si aji alu beli iwu jibu ana masu no ndindi ka ye mo we di ma aya tu si aja ba ndi mo di si na ye je be di no bi obeli na ba bu o bi ajo je ka ye je si ewu jibu bi adulubu kanaba no wa gba to si bu to wa do si bu ba kan no wi be na mo na le ko di bu pa alu beli bu
have no time! Wake up and proceed! We have no time! Wake up and proceed! We have no time!
They are near. I can smell their presence.
They? Who are they, Great Mother? Needless wasting time. Let's sacrifice the lamb and go and destroy them.
No! They will catch up with us. She's already walking down the road of the dead. She's as good as dead. Let us go and stop them.
Great Mother Yuroko, don't bother yourself. I will go and take care of them right away.
I shall destroy them for coming to disturb me in my abode.
Princess, you're cowering.
It's not mother. What? What's over our land? But I had it all along now. Maybe it was when I slept.
Hey.
Can we go back? Let's go
No,
back.
no, we cannot go back. That would be rather too dangerous. Nollywood said once we lose either of the cowries, Europe will be able to see us.
Hey! That means I will die.
No, don't say that. You will not die.
I don't want to die.
You will not die.
No! No!
Please come and protect us.
The stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Why did you people embark on a journey of no return?
We have no business with you. We are peaceful people. In peace we have come, and in peace we shall go back.
And the stubbornness of a goat ends in a pot as it shall, and I shall send you back in pieces.
Ike mirudo, dinime mirudo. Ike mirudo, dinime mirudo.
Your Highness, you can proceed.
In fact, I am not going again. I am not going again. Okay. If you want me to die, you want me to go there and die. I am not going.
Okay.
How can I?
Is something wrong with you? Am I the one you're talking to like that, or is it dead?
I am talking to the both of you. I am talking to the both of you. Yes. In fact, it's even because of you I'm talking this thing. It's because of you.
Yes. She is correct.
Yes.
You are putting us through. You are putting us through all this mess. In fact, we cannot continue.
We are not going again.
But I am not going anywhere again.
I am not going.
You want to go and kill us in the bush so that you can come back and become the only surviving child of our parents.
You will go.
You
must go.
You will go, Geji.
You must go.
If you
stop,
Geji.
Try me. Try me. Come on, try it.
Geji.
Who is doing it?
They did them. What happened?
Let's proceed. Huh? Let's proceed. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. Hey.
Please, we have come to plead, for we can no longer continue to suffer for the sins of our father. He offended you, yes, we know. But please, temper justice with mercy. You killed him. You killed our mother. You have also killed 2 of my unborn sons with their mothers at birth. All our betrothed ran away for fear of death. We have lost honor and dignity in our kingdom and even outside our kingdom. Please, we have suffered a lot for a sin we never knew anything about. We plead with you. Forgive the princess and let her go. Leave us to live in peace. Please.
You sent me to the grand beyond at the early age. After taking advantage of my innocence, he stole away my womanhood and hung me with my unborn child. He allowed royal power to possess his conscience.
I shall fight. I shall make sure that I kill all of you. I shall make sure that none is left to bear his name. And none of you can stop me. I shall show no mercy. I shall show no mercy. I shall show no mercy. I shall destroy you.
Mildo! Mildo! Mildo!
Eke nwofia. Ini aga na mba.